What's up guys, welcome back to Combat University. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to defend against a running punch attack. And for this one I'm going to be using a scene from the movie Blade. So watch this clip and I'll meet you back here to go over this technique. Let's check it out. Welcome back. So you saw in that clip, Blade did this technique multiple times, or at least he defended against a running punch multiple times. So let me show you how to do it, but in a more realistic situation. Okay, so Bob here is running at me and he's throwing this wild punch, okay? So I'm going to duck to get out of the way. I'm going to block that strike as I step behind him. From here, I'm going to knee into the solar plexus. Again, step, block, duck, knee, right there. Now let me show you how to finish it. Here, from here we're going to step down, grab the opponent's head, hair if he has it, and we're going to sweep the leg. I'm going to step 45 degrees, knee, watch my feet as I'm facing the same direction as my opponent. I'm going to sweep here, move it forward. See how I just sweep under the heel, and I'm going to lift up. As I pull back on the shoulder, here, again. He's running at me. He throws this looping punch. Step block, knee, step down facing with my opponent, and I'm going to sweep that leg. One more time. Step and knee, turn, sweep. Right. Okay, so for this one, let's say we got hit in the head with this punch and we're down here. Our opponent comes next to us. We're just going to stay right here. We're going to use this arm to block as we step, knee, turn, sweep. We're hit, step, knee, turn, hook that leg. Easy enough? The first thing we would do to prevent this attack from happening in the first place is not to give him room. If our opponent is at a distance and we have this big gap and we don't want him running after us, we just close the gap, right? Easy enough. So from here, if we're not going to wait for the opponent to strike, we're going to close the gap ourselves. We're going to distract him. We're going to either punch him in the face, slap, or whatever we need to do in order to distract him so we can get behind him. All right, so we're going to be the aggressor on this technique. Close the gap. Whoa, hold on. Flick his nose, step, strike, turn, sweep. Again, close the gap, non-threatening. Flick his nose, that just distracts him. Step, knee, turn, hook that leg. Now I'm going to show you on the bag. Okay, so with the bag, our opponent's, he's running after us. He throws this punch down. We're going to block as we duck and step. Here, knee, turn, sweep that leg. Again. If we got struck first here, duck, knee, sweep. Now if we're going to be the attacker, close the gap, distract him, step, knee, hook that leg. That's how we would do it on the bag. If we don't have the bag, then we're going to have to do it on our imaginary opponent. So follow me. You visualize him running at you and throwing this looping punch. Duck and block, knee, turn, sweep. At this point, your opponent's down. You can stomp, you can go down a knee, punch, however you want to finish the fight. This is what it would look like from the front. Sweep. Now all that's left is for you to go and try it. So go try it, see how it feels, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll meet you back here next time to go over more self-defense techniques.